In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create the perfect YouTube thumbnail using Clipchamp. Now, as many of you know, an engaging thumbnail can be crucial to grabbing attention and boosting the number of clicks your video receives. It's essentially the first impression of your content, so getting it right is key for attracting viewers. First things first, we need to head over to Clipchamp. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and searching for Clipchamp, or if you prefer, type in the URL directly. Whatever works best for you. Once you've arrived at their homepage, you'll likely need to log in if you haven't already. It's always a good idea to keep your login details handy or make sure that your browser remembers them for an efficient start. Once you're inside Clipchamp, you'll want to navigate to your media section. This is where you manage all your video content and media files that you might be working with. One important thing to do here is to adjust the size of your media. You'll see an option labeled Size, and when you click on that, make sure you select Wide 16:9. This specific ratio is particularly important. It's the ideal aspect ratio for YouTube thumbnails, offering a wide view that fits perfectly within YouTube's guidelines and ensures your thumbnail displays correctly across all devices. Always double-check this setting, as a mismatched aspect ratio could misrepresent your thumbnail on different screens, which isn't something you want. After you've adjusted the size, your setup is complete. Congratulations, you're ready to continue fine-tuning your thumbnail design, knowing that the fundamental dimensions are perfectly aligned with YouTube's standards. This preparation step can go a long way in making sure your visual grabs the potential viewer's attention by looking crisp and professional. Although this guide might seem straightforward with just a few clicks, remember that the devil is in the details. Taking a moment to ensure everything is set up correctly can save you headaches down the line. Always make sure to preview your work before finalizing it to see how it will look on different devices. That's your assurance that your content will stand out in a saturated online space. And there you have it. You've successfully prepared your YouTube thumbnail file in Clipchamp, correctly utilizing the wide 16:9 aspect ratio. Just these few simple steps can make a significant difference in the presentation of your content on YouTube. With your thumbnail's visual appeal optimized, you're all set to entice more viewers and drive engagement with your videos. Thanks for watching, and happy thumbnail designing.